Students, we will see with the second type of problem in simultaneous equation, that is solution of simultaneous equation. Given is solve using Laplace transform. Dx by dt is equals to 2x minus 3y. Dy by dt is equals to y minus 2x. Given that x of 0 is equals to 8 and y of 0 is equals to 3. So to start, first write the given things. Dx by dt is equals to 2x minus 3y. Dy by dt is equals to y minus 2x. X of 0 is equals to 8 and y of 0 is equals to 3. Now convert dx by dt as x dash of t, dy by dt as y dash of t. Shift all the terms one side, keeping the constant terms other side, or a function in the form of a pure function in terms of t must be shifted it to equals to sign. So now here no function is only having a t function, a t term. So shift all the terms this side in both the equations. So x dash of t minus 2x plus 3y is equals to 0. Y dash of t minus y plus 2x is equals to 0. So reframing for the equations, x dash of t will remain as it is, minus 2 as it is, x means what? X of t, plus y means what? Y of t. So 3 into y of t is equals to 0. I'll write this term first, then I'll write for the next two terms. So 2 into x of t plus y dash of t minus y of t is equals to 0. Now writing the equations one below the other. X dash of t minus 2x of t plus 3y of t is equals to 0 will remain as it is. 2x of t plus y dash of t, 2x of t plus y dash of t minus y of t is equals to 0. I am marking these two equations as 1 and 2. Now I will take Laplace on both sides. So when I take Laplace on both sides, this becomes Laplace transform of x dash of t minus 2 into Laplace transform of x of t plus 3 into Laplace transform of y of t is equals to 0. Next, 2 into Laplace transform of x of t plus Laplace transform of y dash of t minus Laplace transform of y of t is equals to Laplace transform of 0. Now substitute the Laplace transform of derivatives. So Laplace transform of x dash of t is s into Laplace transform of x of t minus x of 0. Minus 2 into Laplace transform of x of t plus 3 into Laplace transform of y of t is equals to 0, because Laplace transform of 0 is 0. 2 into Laplace transform of x of t as it is, plus now substitute Laplace transform of y dash of t, that is s into Laplace transform of y of t minus y of 0, minus Laplace transform of y of t is equals to 0. Substituting the conditions given. What were the conditions? I am having x of 0 and y of 0. What they are? X of 0 is 8, y of 0 is 3. Substitute. So s into Laplace transform of x of t minus 8 minus 2 into Laplace transform of x of t plus 3 into Laplace transform of y of t is equals to 0. 2 into Laplace transform of x of t plus s into Laplace transform of y of t minus 3 minus Laplace transform of y of t is equals to 0. Shifting this 8 this side, it will become plus. Shifting this 3 this side, it will become plus 3. This is Laplace transform of x of t, this is Laplace transform of x of t. Taking common and writing, this will become s minus 2 into Laplace transform of x of t. Here y of t, Laplace transform of y of t. In this 2, you have to take Laplace transform of y of t common. So I will remain with s minus 1. That is what I have written over here. S into Laplace transform of x of t. That I have shifted 8 and 3 this side. This 2 I have taken common. So s minus 2 into Laplace transform of x of t plus 3 into Laplace transform of y of t is equals to 8. 2 into Laplace transform of x of t will remain as it is. S minus 1 it will come into Laplace transform of y of t is equals to 3. I'll mark this as equation number 3 and 4. I have to solve for any one of the terms to get eliminated, either Laplace transform of x of t or Laplace transform of y of t. I'll try to eliminate Laplace transform of y of t. Here it is 3, here it is s minus 1. So for this equation you multiply by s minus 1, for fourth equation you multiply by 3. So this becomes s minus 1 into s minus 2 into Laplace transform of x of t plus 3 into s minus 1 into Laplace transform of y of t is equals to 8 into s minus 1. 3 I am multiplying, so this will become 6 into Laplace transform of x of t plus 3 into s minus 1 into Laplace transform of y of t is equals to 9. Subtracting both the equations, s minus 1 into s minus 2 minus 6, here the second expression signs will change. So this will become minus 6 Laplace transform of x of t. These two quantities, this will become minus, so this quantity will get cancelled. 8 into s minus 1 minus 9 will remain here. L of x of t is common between these two. I'll take common. So s minus 1 into s minus 2 minus 6 is equals to 8s minus 8 minus 9. Solve the brackets here. S into s it is equal to x square. S into minus 2 to become minus 2s. Minus 1 into s is minus s. Minus into minus it is plus 2 and minus 6. Laplace transform of x of t is equals to 8s minus 17. Simplifying, I'll get s square minus 3s minus 4. Laplace transform of x of t is equals to 8s minus 17. Shift this bracket in the denominator, we'll get Laplace transform of x of t. Solving for this quadratic equation, I'll get this as s plus 1 into s minus 1. Taking the L operator this side, it will become L inverse of this function, which will give us x of t. So L inverse if I have to take, if you observe in the denominator there are number of brackets, so I will go with the partial fraction method, which you have already learned. So I'll consider the inside term first. 8s minus 17 upon s plus 1 into s minus 1. Bracket power is 1, s power is also 1, means for each bracket you consider one arbitrary constant. So 2 brackets, so 2 terms. A upon s plus 1 plus b upon s minus 4. Take the LCM. A into s minus 4 plus b into s minus s plus 1. Denominators will get cancelled. Next we have to go on solving by choosing the s value. So I'll choose s value as minus 1. As I told you, if here it is s plus 1, choose s as minus 1. If here it is s minus 4, choose s as 4. So I'll choose s equals to minus 1. So minus 1 into 8 is minus 8. Minus 8 minus 17 it is minus 25. Minus 1 minus 4 it is minus 5a. And this quantity will become 0. From this a is 5. Next, I'll choose s equals to 4. 4 8s are 32. 32 minus 17 it is 15. This is 0. 4 plus 1 it is 5. 5b. So b is equals to 3. What I have to do with this? I'll be substituting in equation number 6. A value and b value. A value is 5 and b value is 3. 5 upon s plus 1. 3 upon s minus 4. Which I have written over here. Now I'll take L inverse on both sides. So L inverse of 8s minus 17 upon s plus 1 into s minus 4 is equals to 5 into L inverse of 1 upon s plus 1 plus 3 into L inverse of 1 upon s minus 4. Hence 5 as it is, 1 upon s plus a, it is e raised to minus 80. A is how much? 1. 1 upon s minus a, it will become e raised to 80, that is e raised to 40. This is what L inverse of this quantity. This I have to substitute in equation 5. I will get x of t as 5 e raised to minus t plus 3 e raised to 40. Once I get x of t, we will go to find for y of t. To find y of t, consider the given first equation. What is that? Dx by dt is equals to 2x minus 3y. I want y, so 3y you shift this side. dx by dt this side. So 3y is equals to 2x minus dx by dt. Bringing this 3 down, so it will become 1 by 3 into 2x minus dx by dt. 1 by 3 as it is, 2 into, what is x? 5 e raised to minus t plus 3 e raised to 4t. This. Minus, I want dx by dt, means I have to differentiate x of t. 5 as it is, derivative of e raised to minus t is, we know that differentiation of e raised to minus ax will become here minus a into e raised to minus ax, right? So, here it will become, here minus 1 is the coefficient, t is minus 1. So, minus 1, this 5 will remain as it is. E raised to minus t's derivative is minus e raised to minus t plus 3 is constant, derivative of e raised to 4t it is 4 e raised to 4t. 4 3s are 12 e raised to 4t. Simplifying the signs, minus into minus it is plus, minus into plus it is minus. 10 e raised to minus t plus 5 e raised to minus t will become 15 e raised to minus t. 6 e raised to 4t minus 12 e raised to 4t, it will become minus 6 e raised to 4t. This 3 will get multiplied, so it will become 5 e raised to minus t minus 2 e raised to 4t, which will give our y of t. Therefore, x of t and y of t are the two required functions for the simultaneous equations. Thank you.